This past season, as anticipated, Wim and Steven De Troy left their imprint. The national victory from Bourges 2 in the Old Bird category was the icing on the cake for these reliable performers, who added many more wins to their already stellar record in 2024. Eleanor, Belgium, 2022-60-33080, a daughter of the Edison Times Caramel combination, became the 2024 season's high point. She is the granddaughter of top pigeons Yuri, Moonshine, Columbus, and Argentina. Wim, Steven, and Marianne's sixth national triumph came when Eleanor defeated 6,713 Old Birds to win the first National Bourges. In addition to her national win, Eleanor had 4 national top 100 finishes and a first at Surmazes against 939 birds, demonstrating her sustained excellence throughout her racing career. Due to her consistent performance, this outstanding hen placed 9th in the middle distance KBDB's National Ace Old Bird rankings and 6th in the Belgian middle distance races PIPA ranking for Best Old Bird, earning her 5 medals. The conclusion drawn from examining the pedigrees of Wim and Steven De Troy's numerous starflyers is that this close-knit breeding line, which is based on pioneers like Kiesbauer 863, Manuela, Yuri, Moonshine, Mr. X, Den 092, and Daria, continuously yields new champions. The current De Troy Pigeon has its roots in the old foundation, as well as in the lines of Gaston van de Wouwer and the English J&J Pigeons. The elite ranks of national great middle distance racing have become inextricably linked to their progeny. As a result, Wim, Steven, and Marianne are well-known figures who keep getting better every year.